Crypto.com's CRO Coin is coming down slightly here today, really just cooling off a little bit as Bitcoin is stealing the show. But what comes next for Crypto.com's CRO Coin? Well, today we're going to talk about CRONOS and where we're at right now and what I expect ahead in the immediate short term as well as for the long term. A quick price update for you guys this afternoon. Welcome to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. Today, people are feeling a little bit panicked and on edge, so let's try to calm y'all folks down out there. We still got a lot of bull market left. We are in the midst of the bull market, but there are some more coins that have a lot more upside. I think CRO is one of them. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome back, everybody. So Bitcoin right now at $70,900. Lots of volatility. We had a couple scam wicks today on Bitcoin. Now, in terms of altcoins, you know, some people I see out there are saying, oh, insane altcoins are rallying. There are some altcoins rallying. Injective's going up, Near is going up, Toncoin. There's a couple coins that are going up 7-10%. But compared to what we saw as Bitcoin was approaching its previous all-time high, which we are now well above, we aren't seeing as many altcoins pumping. Pepe's down, Floki's down. These meme coins were recently rallying, so we are getting a period of cooled off moves on altcoins because the greed is still extreme. Well, how could the greed be extreme if the altcoins aren't going wild like they were just recently? It's because this fear and greed index is a lagging indicator. That being said, Bitcoin's still showing a lot of greed. And if you don't believe me, well, just zoom out and look at the chart of Bitcoin. It is up and to the right, guys. If you look at the weekly candles for Bitcoin, think about this. Let me blow your mind. Back on February 5th, guys, we are at the bottom of this wick. Actually, even January 22nd, we were at the bottom of this wick. Almost 3 months ago, folks, we were at the bottom of this wick, and we have rallied since then from $38,000, which is when Jim Cramer called the bottom, to 85% returns for Bitcoin in what was, you know, like I said, 2-3 months. Not very bad. Incredible gains for Bitcoin. And so what happened is, well, Bitcoin went on this run. We saw some altcoins start to move. You saw CRONOS start to move as well. This is that move this is from Bitcoin at basically, you know, again, this is Bitcoin January 22nd. There you go on the chart. You could see this is that same move for CRO Coin. Now, CRO Coin from that moment in time actually, as you can see, went up more, 122%. And this goes along with our theory of CRO Coin versus Bitcoin. I do think that we are going to continue to see CRO Coin bottom out versus Bitcoin. And maybe we get a lower high. Maybe we end up here. Maybe we don't go the full stretch. Maybe. But I still think we do. I have nothing that invalidates that hypothesis at this point. And so what comes next for CRO? Well, I got to go to Bitcoin because Bitcoin's a little bit stuck. We're on a first weekly candle after we had our first weekly candle close above this previous high. Now we're on our first weekly candle of price discovery mode. So there's some hesitation for Bitcoin as you see the move of, you see Bitcoin here on January 22nd, take a move 85% from January 22nd and move up to a current price that we're at right now. And you saw CRO Coin make that same move 122%. You know that CRO Coin follows the price trajectory of Bitcoin. And you know that when Bitcoin's absolutely parabolic and altcoins rally, CRO Coin should technically, according to history, outperform Bitcoin gains-wise. So you want to know what happens to CRO next? Well, you got to look at Bitcoin. But I can tell you, if Bitcoin comes down, we're looking at 12 cents again, guys, okay? If Bitcoin goes up 20 cents, 27 cents, these are still on the table. I want to remind you guys this as well. When you look at these bull markets, and this is something Black Sea and I were just talking about a moment ago, when the bottom of the bear market came to the peak of the bull market is about, if you can see right here, 1,000 days, 1,064 days. You go again from the lows over here to the highs on the second peak of the previous bull market. Again, 1,057 days. Well, you might be wondering, well, we're ahead of schedule. Is this going to be a shorter bull market because we're ahead of schedule? Well, how ahead of schedule can we be? 483 days we've been in this bull market from the bottom for a long period of time, guys. I know we were not calling this a bull market. We were still calling this a bear market. And there's a good reason for that because you don't know it's a bull market until you're basically breaking all-time highs and in price discovery mode. And so again, this does look like we are breaking into price discovery mode. It looks like we are going to see a couple hundred more days at the very least of more all-time highs with some volatility in there for chasing leverage longs and shorts. So CRO Coin should continue to go up, folks. I'm very bullish on it. It is the exchange token for the Crypto.com exchange, one of the most regulatory compliant exchanges in the world. They have incredible marketing efforts. The CEO is active on Twitter. The company has their toe in NFTs, into Web3, into gaming, so many different things. And that's pretty great. They got their own wallet for self-custody, the DeFi wallet with a variety of applications. The CRONOS chain, they have their own chain, and this chain is in the top 20 of total value locked up in the entire crypto ecosystem. And on Cosmos, it's the #1 chain built on Cosmos, guys. This is going to be a tough bear market, or bull market, excuse me. It's going to be a tough bull market, guys. But the people that try to stay calm and take profits on the way up, absolutely, those are the ones that are going to be able to prevail. I believe CRO Coin goes to $2 to $5 in this bull market. That price prediction is not changing at the time of this recording. I'm sticking with it, guys. I hold 500,000 CRO Coins myself, and I am still holding. That's my quick update for you guys today. Thanks for watching. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, folks, don't forget to DCA, HODL, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.